Everybody wants success until they realize what it costs. Discipline isn't loud. It doesn't shout your name or make a scene. It's quiet, patient, and uncomfortable. It's you waking up when your body says 5 more minutes. It's saying no when your emotions say yes. It's doing the right thing even when nobody's watching. Discipline is the toll you pay to cross the bridge between dreams and reality. Most people want freedom, but they don't understand. Discipline is freedom. The one who can control his habits controls his future. You can't lead a team, a family, or a business until you learn to lead yourself. Every time you choose consistency over comfort, you build a version of yourself that can't be broken by circumstance. You think success is about opportunity. It's not. It's about preparation. And preparation is built in the silence of discipline. When you grind while others scroll, when you plan while others complain, when you focus while others flex, you're separating yourself. You're building a resume the world can't see yet. Discipline doesn't give you quick results. It gives you roots. It makes you unshakable. You start moving with a calm that people mistake for luck. They don't see the early mornings, the rejections, the days you had to push through exhaustion just to stay consistent. They don't see the small daily choices that turned you from a dreamer into a doer. Sometimes discipline feels lonely, but that's the test. The world rewards noise, but real growth happens in silence. It's not about who cheers for you. It's about who you become when nobody's clapping. Stay grounded. Stay focused. Discipline is what separates the ones who almost make it from the ones who do. You won't always be motivated. That's when discipline steps in. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It cares what you do. It's the anchor that keeps your life steady when emotions start to drift. Build a routine that works even when your mood doesn't. Because if you can master your habits will master your results. You can't fake discipline. It shows up in your body, in your bank account, in your peace. The disciplined man doesn't chase validation. He builds value. He knows that real power isn't in proving people wrong. It's in proving yourself right. So if you're tired of starting over, stop quitting. If you're tired of falling short, stop negotiating with your excuses. Make discipline your lifestyle, not your punishment. Every rep, every note, every late night, every small improvement is a brick in the foundation of your future. Move in silence, build with purpose. Master your mind before you chase the money, because the man who can control himself can control anything. Stay disciplined, stay dangerous, stay true to your mission.